Wine is so interesting. You don't even have to speak the same language. You bring a bottle of wine, a hunk of cheese, and a piece of bread, everybody becomes friend.
I want wines that people will walk away and say, wow, that was truly remarkable.
Really cool in the Midwest and Wisconsin, and helping to promote this industry that's just growing and becoming better and better. We're proud to be part of that.
I would love for people to really experience that Napa-style winery, but in local Wisconsin.
Wisconsin and winemaking. You might not think the two go hand in hand, but years of selection, cultivation, and hybridization of grape varieties have led to a booming Wisconsin wine scene. And today, we're visiting 4 that we've deemed iconic.
Hello and welcome to Discover Wisconsin.
Okay, so we visited a variety of amazing wineries, some of which have long, rich histories here in Wisconsin. Well, that's not the case for this place, Bailey's Run Vineyard in New Glarus. This winery is young, it's fresh, it's insanely popular, and as they say themselves, it's where wine goes to have fun. Let's check it out.
We are Todd and Janet Keel.
And we are the husband and wife team behind Bailey's Run Vineyard and Winery in New Glarus, Wisconsin. We are where wine goes to have fun. We are all about having a good time, laughing, smiling, taking a break from real life, and just coming out to enjoy the scenic view and having a wonderful time.
We started this venture in 2015. We moved down to New Glarus, bought 10 acres of land, and thought it would be a great fun idea to plant some grapes. And then we had a lot of grapes, so we decided to open a winery.
And we've come a long way in 3 years. We've come a long way.
Come a long way.
We now do music every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and we've got this beautiful outdoor area that overlooks the gorgeous scenery here in New Glarus.
My first impression of Bailey's Run Vineyard was that this place is a party. The staff is so nice. I walked in, I immediately had wine. They gave me some merch, which I love. There was pizza, there was cheese boards, there was dancing, there was live music. I might have whipped out the worm, which is my one go-to dance move. And you can basically just be yourself here at Bailey's Run.
We do mimosas, Bloody Marys. We do different wine cocktails throughout the seasons. Our champagnes are awesome. We always have our traditional dry reds, dry whites, you know, a touch of sweet stuff. But then some different wines too that are more on the fun side. So a little something for everyone. We have food every day. We have incredible local meats and cheeses we put on platters. And Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we do our authentic Neapolitan brick oven pizzas in our brick oven that we imported ourselves from Italy.
And they're delicious. They're absolutely delicious.
This isn't a place where you necessarily come and do a tasting and buy a bottle and just leave. This is where you come and you, with friends, and you hang out for an hour or two or three
or 6.
Or the afternoon.
Bailey owns the place. I mean, she's walking around like the star of the show, which she is, and everyone flocks to her. She makes friends everywhere she goes.
So Bailey's Run is named after our golden doodle, Bailey. She is probably the most spoiled golden doodle you will see throughout the state, possibly throughout the country. She loves visiting with all of our guests when they come in. She's a big fan of the cheese and sausage. It just makes people's day to see her.
One of their wines, called Remember Me Red, they actually give some of the proceeds from the wine to a dementia and Alzheimer's charity, which they have that in their family, so it's very meaningful to them. So yes, it's a winery, it's really fun, but there's also a lot of meaning behind what they do here, and I thought that that was very, very, very special.
For me, I'm most proud of the experience that our customers walk away with.
It's just the happiness you see on people's face, especially in the last year or two, when they've been able to be out here and breathe and spread out and enjoy themselves. Mm-hmm. People need this fulfillment and need something in their life, and we're a little part of that. So
Good answer.
And wine doesn't hurt.
Mine doesn't hurt at all.